Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to solve this problem and we have been asked to find x if the line QR equals to 4. Alright, so here we have angle 60 and here we have angle 45 and this is the triangle SPQR. Okay, and we are looking for this line SP which is labeled x. Alright, so taking a look at this, I can see 3 triangles. Okay, I can see this. I'm going to consider this as my first triangle. Okay, I can also see this. I'm going to consider this as my second triangle. Okay, and I can also see the large triangle, which I'm going to consider as my third triangle. Okay, so to solve this problem, a very easy way to do it is to start by considering triangle SPQ. Okay, because we're looking for x. Alright, so let's label PQ. Let's call PQ, what should we call PQ? Let's call PQ Y. Alright, so if PQ is Y, considering triangle SPQ, I can remember from SOHCAHTOA, right? Sine of the angle is the opposite of the hypotenuse, the cos of the angle is the adjacent of the hypotenuse, and the tangent is the opposite of the adjacent. So in this case, we're going to be using 12, right? So tan 60 equals to opposite x. Opposite is the side facing the angle, which is x, divided by the adjacent, which is y. Alright, so tan 60, when we calculate this, should give us root 3. Root 3 equals to x over y, so y or x rather equals to y root 3. Okay, so x is now in terms of y. Alright. Now let us consider the big triangle, right? The third triangle. Here we have SP to the x, right? And PR is y plus 4. So y plus 4. And the angle here is 45 degrees. Again, we can use our tan, right? Our tool, right? So the tan of the angle, which is tan 45, is equal to the opposite, which is x, divided by the adjacent, which is y plus 4. Okay, so what is tan 45? Tan 45 gives us 1, right? So x equals to y plus 4. So again, we have another equation, right, for x. So let's say this is equation 1. Now this is equation 2. We can substitute equation 2 into equation 1 or 1 into 2, anyhow you want it. So if I replace x with y root 3, we're going to have y root 3 equals to y plus 4, right? So y root 3 minus y equals to 4, and we can say y into root 3 minus 1 equals to 4, alright? So y equals to 4 divided by root 3, okay, root 3 minus 1. Okay, so we've obtained y, right? We've obtained y. And remember that we made y to be in terms of x, right? Twice, right? Here, equation 1 and here, equation 2. So you can choose any of the equations and then substitute y back to obtain x. I think it will be easier for us to use equation 2. Okay, so we're going to have x to be equal to y plus 4, which is 4 over root 3 minus 1 plus 4. Okay, so in order for us to actually simplify it to its simplest form, let me simplify this first. So to simplify 4 over 3 minus 1, I can rationalize to have this multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1, and this gives me 4 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by this, using difference of two squares, I have 3 all squared minus 1 squared, right? So 4 into 3 plus 1 divided by, this is 3 minus 1, this is 4 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2, right? And this is 2 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, so now I can have x to be equal to 2 into root 3 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, so this is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 plus 4. And finally, my answer is 2 root 3 plus 6. This is it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.